subscribe to Brit in the Philippines.
Well, really another hot day in paradise. But we still can't go anywhere. Not together anyway. I could probably go into town if I want, but the people I've been talking to, nothing's really changed. Most of the checkpoints have gone, but if you go into any of the major superstores, you've got to have your pass, and obviously it's got to be for the day that you're going in and the right time and all the rest of it. They're still checking your temperature as you go through the door. Oh dear. But there you go. This is the view from my upstairs window. We're gonna go and have a walk, and this is from the other side of my window. Now last night they were sitting down there, a group of them, having a drink, and then somebody come running in, the same police. They all scarpered. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, you can see. Can you see that guttering hanging down? I don't know how long that's been like that. Well, I do, it's from the last typhoon, but they've never offered to take it down. They even hang the washing on it. Now if that, I mean obviously I wouldn't rent something like that out to somebody, but let's say I did, I'd be very, very unhappy that they didn't even make any effort to take it down. So, as you can see, it looks like it's going to rain, and there's quite a few people about. Like I said before, all the pajaks are running, the trikes are running. Like Pa's helmet. That's going to make a lot of difference if he comes off the bike, isn't it? So Ma's still got lots of fish.
You steal chicken.
I didn't steal chicken.
Yes.
No. When did I steal the chicken?
It's early.
How much is the chicken?
35.
35, my God. Yeah, steal another one. It's alright. This has got more chicken on it.
You know guys, Chris always stealing. She did not pay.
You liar. So, how's Ma doing today then, money-wise?
It's great.
What?
It's great.
See how fat the dog is? Well, he's not fat, but he's not skinny anymore.
Tomorrow.
And that's because he's allowed to walk around.
Oh,
Wow.
tomorrow they have party there. Do you know?
Yeah, I've been invited, formally invited.
When?
Just now.
Who tells you?
The guy, it's his mother. He says, I formally invite you, we'll be doing lots of drinking.
It's not yeah, it's a love.
Alright, you see, you're there again.
Because the old woman there is gonna be, she's turning 85 years old.
85?
No, 80. That's what I said, right? Why you repeat?
Because women don't seem to last long in the Philippines.
Because she eat like a vegetable, fish. She did not eat
She did not eat? Come on, let's have a look at this beautiful young lady here. Look at that. That's beautiful, isn't it? No, she's pretending. Look at that, eh? Another beautiful young lady. She's always hiding now. See, this is why nobody's going to starve in the Philippines. Look.
Try. You know, my mom cooking fish, and then that's the vegetable that you eat.
Oh, is that what they put into it?
Yeah,
Okay. Watermelon, my friend. Do you like watermelon?
No, thank you.
That's one the onion leaves over there.
Yeah, the garden goes all the way over there, look. Onions and all kinds of stuff. Then we've got the coconut tree. Now if, look at this dog following me. He'll only go so far, then he'll go back.
Oh, I don't always follow.
If we can get this land sorted in Suruma,
Yeah.
we're going to now start saving, and hopefully we can get something built on it in the next 20 years.
It's gonna be a bungalow, right?
Yeah. Mel's excited until I said there's going to be nothing for the next 3 years, then she's not so excited anymore.
It's very good. It's very nice there, right?
Yeah.
I love the place there.
Yeah.
I love the place there. Even I'm gonna be part of my family.
You know you look like a pixie with them ears, don't you?
I'm gonna fart to my mom.
You're going to fart to your mum?
Fart.
What?
Fart. Because we're gonna move there, right?
Oh, you mean you'll be far from your mum?
What we've got here is failure to communicate.
Oh, Jesus.
Sounds like you said fart. I thought you were being rude. Do you want some land for a rush sale, guys?
But rush for sale, but expensive.
It's very expensive and it floods.
Did you notice there that the gate there they get up now?
Yeah, the gate's been took away, yeah. Because they know it's all coming to an end now, don't they?
Yeah. On June 1, we are in MGCQ.
MGCQ.
Means modify general community enhanced.
Oh, well, that's great. That sounds really good. Modified. Do you know what?
But they allowed they required pa to wearing masks and social distancing.
But you can walk about. You don't need a pass.
I don't know.
You don't know? What do you know? Do you know? I just love dogs like that.
Malunggay.
Yeah. See, everywhere you walk around here, you can get the malunggay. Everywhere. Not in cold places, obviously. But it's just like a
Do
weed.
you remember the last time that we passed here that I asked about that plant and they said they're gonna plant, but now look, they
Yeah.
plants na there.
They've planted and it started to grow.
Yeah. Look,
It's only been done a little
it's
while.
very dry, right?
Yeah. It's only been done a little while. So all this is not their land. This belongs to somebody. And the signs at the end where they're saying quick sale, rush sale. Well, it's rush sale.
Uy, Ada,
It makes me laugh.
where you going, Ada?
It's not. There's nothing rush about it because it's too expensive.
Yeah,
A rush sale is where you've dropped the
Yeah.
price
exactly.
quite a bit to get somebody to buy it. Plus the fact when you phone up and you tell them you only want a bit of it, they're not really interested because they want to sell the whole lot. Which again is a bit of a head scratcher because if you want to sell something, it doesn't matter if you're selling a bit at a time, does it? At least you're getting some money instead of holding out and the land and house prices crash because of what's coming, which nobody believes, by the way.
What's kind of that car like that? That's what I'm
Yeah,
talking about.
it's a big 4x4, isn't it? Something like that's about 800,000, 900,000, something like that. Million.
It's better to buy, brand new than second hand.
Oh God, yeah, because you know it's been hammered if it's second hand, and especially if it's a bike. Not supposed to have four on a bike, are we? Yeah, can you imagine if we'd had that land in Saruma and we had a bungalow on it now, and we're in Saruma, we could go to the sea every day.
Yeah. And you're gonna have peaceful
Yeah,
night like here, right?
be very peaceful. Yeah, you wouldn't have people sat outside your house all day shouting.
Nobody looking on the window, the kids.
Yeah. Problem is though, it's a bit like Elgin and Hannah. Because they're in where they are, they can't get into Centro to go to the bank to get money. They can't leave. Want an ice cream?
No. Why you have money?
No. We could just steal it. Oh, you got money, yeah, that's good. No, I don't want. I didn't really want that chicken. I don't know why I ate that chicken.
What chicken? My mom?
Yeah, the one I stole. So 70 pesos now. Huh?
You can pay my mom 50 pesos.
Oh, can I? There you go, guys. Rush sale up. 24,522 square meters. That is a lot of land.
Please subscribe to Brit in the Philippines.
Everything that brought me alive, going wrong like nonsense, playing with the monsters. They brought me alive, but got no